Hey there! Ever wondered why some folks hit the snooze button on investing? Some reasons are totally legit. Life's a roller coaster after all. Maybe you're still figuring out if you want to retire in the city or if you want to buy that dreamy cottage by the lake. It's cool to take a breath before diving into the investment pool. But then there are those other excuses, like waiting for the stock market to do a fancy dance or letting fear stop you. That's like waiting for rain in the Sahara. Not the best plan. So here's the million-dollar question, literally. When should I start? The deal is the clock's always ticking, so the sooner you start, the less you gotta stash away each month. Let's break it down, Canadian style. 27 and breezy. Pop in $214 monthly and boom, you're a millionaire at 67. Hit the big 3-7? Time to up the game to $546 a month. Feeling fabulous at 47? It's crunch time. $1,497 monthly, please. 57 and wise, whip out over $5,100 each month. Yeah, you heard that right. 62 and just starting? Brace yourself, $13,200 a month. The motto here? The sooner the sweeter. And we're assuming a cool 9% return rate because we're optimistic like that. So the answer to when do I jump in is as soon as possible. The ideal time to start would be the day you're born. Imagine your baby self making bank while you're busy being adorable. But since most parents are more focused on diapers than dividends, the next best thing is to start as soon as you've got some spare change. Feeling overwhelmed? Don't sweat it. You can always get help from a financial consultant. They'll help you slay debts, make smart money moves, and get you to that comfy retirement or whatever your financial aspirations may be. So why wait? Let's dive into the investment ocean and make some money waves.